Hello and good morning, students. As you know, we are in the topic solution of triangles. In last few classes, we have solved some problems as well as derivation of formula. Today, I am here with some new problem. See the first question. In triangle ABC, prove that B minus C upon B plus C is equals to tan B minus C upon 2 bata tan B plus C upon 2. So as you know, from sine rule, yesterday we have done some problems on this pattern. A is equals to K sine A, B is equals to K sine B, and C is equals to K sine C. From sine rule, yesterday we have done such problems. So start from LHS. Our LHS is B minus C upon B plus C. Use sine rule here, which is given above. So K sine B minus K sine C upon K sine B plus K sine C. Take out K as a common. K is common in numerator and K is common in denominator. So after taking K common, then K and K should be cancelled, and we have sine B minus sine C divided by sine B plus sine C after the cancellation of K. Now apply the formula sin C minus sin D and sin C plus sin D. So that formula should be written as 2 cos B plus C by 2 into sin B minus C by 2, and in denominator 2 sin B plus C by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. Here 2 and 2 should cancels. Now cos theta upon sin theta, here theta is B plus C by 2, which is cot theta, and here theta is B minus C by 2, so sin theta upon cos theta, that is tan B minus C by 2. So first write tan B minus C by 2 into cot B plus C by 2, and cot B plus C by 2 in denominator it becomes tan B plus C by 2, which is our RHS, hence the result. So these problems can solved by using sine rule, cosine rule. We will solve problems. Write down next question. In triangle ABC, prove that A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C should equals to twice A, means 2 times A sin B into sin C. Your next question is, in triangle ABC, prove that A cos A plus B into cos B plus C into cos C is equals to twice A sin B into sin C. Start from LHS. Our LHS is A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C. Like previous problem, again apply sine rule, means A is equals to K sin A, K sin B, and here K sin C. So it should be written as K sin A into cos A plus K sin B into cos B plus K sin C into cos C. Rationalize these term, the whole term, by 2. Rationalize means multiply and divide by 2. Now see, these 2 in numerator will multiply in each of the term. K is common, so first write down K as a common upon 2. So it becomes 2 sin A into cos A plus 2 sin B into cos B plus 2 sin C into cos C. 2 sin A into cos A, that will be sin 2A. Similarly, it should be sin 2B plus sin 2C. Now this is a problem which is identical in conditional identities you have done. Apply the formula for sin C plus sin D, means 2 sin C plus D by 2. So C means 2A plus 2B by 2 means A plus B into cos 2A minus 2B by 2, which should be cos A minus B. Sin 2C is 2 sin C to cos C. A plus B should be written as pi minus C, because this is case of triangle and sum of the angles is 180 degree, that is pi. So the sum of two angle will be pi minus C into cos A minus B plus 2 sin C into cos C. Sin pi minus C is sin C. So now take 2 sin C as common. K upon 2 into 2 sin C, which should be taken as common. cos a minus b, which is your first term in bracket, and see cos c should again be written as pi minus a plus b within bracket, pi minus a plus b. So cos c is cos pi minus a plus b, and cos pi minus theta will be minus cos theta. So cos c should be written as minus cos a plus b. Here 2 and 2 should cancel. Now k sin c. Now children, apply the formula for sin c minus sin d, which is 2 sin c plus d by 2. So when we add these two angles, b and b should cancel, a plus a should add 2a by 2, which is a, into sin d minus c by 2 means a plus b minus a plus b. So it remains sin b. Again write down, just rearrange the term, means 2k sin a into sin b into sin c. Apply sine rule again. K sin a becomes a, so we have 2a sin b into sin c, which is your RHS, hence the result. I think you understand the problem of solution of triangle. The next problem will be, write down the next question. Prove that in triangle ABC, your next question is prove that in triangle ABC, if cos A is equals to sin B upon 2 sin C, then triangle is isosceles. Then triangle is isosceles. So see students, what are given terms? First given the triangle ABC. Second given cos A is equals to sin B upon 2 sin C. What we have proved? Triangle is isosceles. So first apply sine rule. What we have? A is equal to A is equal to K sine A. It means sine A should be written as 1 by K into A. 1 by K, suppose another term. Suppose 1 by K is another term, means let it is R into A. Sine B is equals to R into B, and sine C is equal to R into C, where R is equals to 1 by K. Now cos B is given cos A is given sin B upon 2 sin C. Write down their formulas. The cos formula is B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Sin B is R into B and 2R into C. First cancel R and R. 2BC in the right side, I am going to write here B square plus C square minus A square is equals to B upon 2C into 2BC. C and 2 should cancel, that is B square. Again B square on the left side should also cancel. It means C square minus A square is equal to 0. C square minus A square is equal to 0 means C square is equal to A square, and hence C is equal to A. Negative side will be not considered because C and A represents sides of triangle which is never negative. C is equal to A, it means the side AB is equal to BC. So the side AB is equal to BC, two sides are equal, thus triangle ABC is isosceles. Triangle ABC is isosceles. So children, in this way we solve the problem. See one more question. In triangle ABC, if angle A is 45 degree, angle A is 45 degree, angle B is 60 degree, and angle C is 75 degree. Find the ratio of sides. Find the ratio of sides. So children, this is very simple question, not very difficult. From sine rule, as we know from sine rule, A is to B is to C, should be written as sine A is to sine B is to sine C. Just write down the value of angles, that is sine 45 degree is to sine 60 degree is to sine 75 degree, which is already given, and write down their values. 1 by root 2 is to root 3 by 2, and sine 75 degree is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Multiply each of the ratio by 2 root 2. Multiply each of the ratio by 2 root 2. Then it becomes 2 root 2 into root 3, which is root 6 is to root 3 plus 1. This is your ratio. So after the completion of class, I will send you some problem for practice, and hope you will submit it by today only. Till then, thank you.